Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Radhika Gavri.
And where do you stay?
I am in Vilepalli East.
Okay. How old is your child?
When he joined the playgroup, of course, he was only 1.5. Okay, now he's about 2.5 almost.
Okay. So what kind of institutes were you looking out for him?
Actually, as a first-timer parent, we were looking at quite a few options, of course, nearby to the vicinity. So, considering the options, we were looking at one of the best, because the base is very important for us, as a parent. So, of course, we found out more schools in the vicinity. There were 2-3 only as playgroups. But when we came across an association with Ra Butterflies, that's how we went through a counseling session with Aparna ma'am here, which was obviously a very different picture of what we had in mind. So it was not something like whiling away time for a child, in a playgroup. It was much more than that. So that's what made us choose Ra Butterflies actually.
Okay. So apart from Ra Butterflies, did you consider any other option as well?
Yes, we saw 2 or 3 more playgroups around the vicinity, of course, which we were not very happy with, considering probably some of them were too crowded, some or having too large, probably a cramped space, or the hygiene was not up to the mark. So a lot of things which were not what we were looking at.
Okay. So with your experience, would you like to highlight 2 good things about Ra Butterflies?
Of course, a lot of them. In fact, it's like when we came here, she went around the entire place and she made us see what the entire place was. The hygiene is excellent. What attracted us more to the place was the kind of teacher-parent ratio that they have. They have a small group and more of teachers attending to the child. So that kind of coping for the child is also very important to form a very good base. In fact, apart from that, what attracted to us in Ra Butterflies was the live music that they have. It was very important for the child to develop that kind of concept. They can relate to concepts only of music and pictures, which these teachers highlight on more at Ra Butterflies. So there's live music, the way they start their class with Om chanting, then the prayers, and then how they actually teach them the concepts of colors, shapes, etc., which is excellent. Plus, over and above, they have a lot of activities, which is mind-blowing, excellent, which is what every parent wants a child to. Because unless and until you don't, for such small kids, concepts clearance is only when they actually go across and see them, happening in front of them. Otherwise, obviously, it's like blank. They don't need books and they don't need blackboards there, right? So that's how it actually happens. They encourage a lot of field trips, right from going to festival periods like the Sankrant festival. They went to the garden. I've never seen any playgroups actually going around and doing such stuff. Visit to bird sanctuaries, visit to fire station, or visit to a post office for that matter to explain little concepts there. Excellent group of teachers. The open house that they have, here every 3 to 4 months is also an excellent concept, I believe, because even the little behavior changes that you see in a child is what is observed by the teachers, because for working individuals like us, it is very difficult otherwise to understand how the child is doing. So it's from them you actually get the true feedback. And as a parent, what I have seen throughout in Darsh, my child, his name is Darsh, it's an excellent change. He's grown from a kid to an excellently understanding kid. The concepts of probably praying before starting his meals, or addressing the proper age groups with different names. And his concepts are very clear. His speech has become much more better at such young age. Understanding of things is much more clear, which is what we want. That's the important part for us. So they are doing an excellent job. We're very happy with the place.
Okay. Also, would you have any suggestion for Ra Butterflies?
Suggestions? Not really. They're already up to the mark. They're excellent in what they're doing. So we would just say keep up the good work. That's all.
Okay. And how likely are you to recommend Ra Butterflies to other parents?
Me and my husband both are already endorsing it. So we are always going to endorse it, even to our friends who are already in line for other kids to come in, their kids. So it's always an endorsement from our side already.
So on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate it?
5, no doubt about it.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time today.